morning. One thing you should know about the guitarist is that they haven't taken a bath yet, but they are ready to clean up their guitar. So today I'm gonna clean up this guitar. I'm using all this kind of PRS stuff, and this guitar is the PRS SE Paul Allender model, but it's dirty. So I'm gonna clean up with this PRS guitar cleaning kit along with the tuner for the strings. I'll get the strings later, so let's get it on.
Okay, let's put these things out of the box. First, I got guitar cleaner, I got guitar polish and the fretboard conditioner from PRS tuner and cleaning kit bundle. And these cloths are good. I just want to keep them as a souvenir, so I use another cloth. And I'll start first with the saddle bridge. Let's unscrew them and check how dusty and dirty they are. This is probably unnecessary if you are cleaning your guitar regularly, but this guitar just came and I wonder for how long it's been neglected. So I just brush it off and voila, I got a lot of dust and dirt. I'm using the fretboard conditioner to clean the bridge. I consider it would be safe for metal, and I cleaned the saddle bridge with metal polish. To clean the body wood finish, I use PRS guitar cleaner. It's easy to use, just spray it and wipe them all over. No need to worry about the metal parts because this cleaner is safe for metal. Next to the dirtiest part of the guitar, the fretboard. I'm using the fretboard conditioner. Put the liquid into cloth and wipe the fretboard with it. Or you just can pour it to the fretboard and rub it by hand, then wipe the residue with cloth. Don't worry, it's safe for skin. Just look at these beautiful bad inlays. I want to check the inside of the truss rod cover because likely this place is being neglected by the factory default, and it turns out I'm right, it's dirty. So I just brush it off and spray the cleaner on it and try to brush it off and wipe it as clean as possible. For a shinier look, I use the guitar polish. This polish works best for nitrocellulose finishing. Mine is polyurethane, but that works too. Definitely it will make this guitar shiny. It's time to put the PRS strings on. Wrap them around. Don't forget to cut off the excessive string length. I'm done putting the strings, and now it's time to tune this guitar with this PRS clip-on tuner. All set, and it's ready to be reviewed on my next video.
Okay, thank you for making time with me cleaning up this beautiful guitar. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.